Alright guys, you're welcome to another amazing video. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to check private Instagram accounts. Peradventure there are some accounts you've been wishing to see and you don't want to follow that account. Just follow this tutorial I'm about to show you guys and you get to learn how you can view those accounts without them knowing, without following them. I guess you're excited, right? Awesome. So if you're new on this channel, this is Digital Payroll, and right here we talk about ways you can make money online, how-to tutorials, and also how you can grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time right here, ensure you like this video, drop a comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to this channel. Do it to subscribe to this channel, guys. All right, so for you to do this, for you to view private Instagram accounts without following them, it's very simple. Just go to your browser. Let me take up my other phone. So let me go to my browser. So once you're in your browser like this, you get, I'm with my phone right here, so just search for itwix.net. itwix. I guess you can see it right here. So just search for this. So this is spelling on the screen right here. So just search for this. Once you search for this will load up for you. Can you see itwix, the ultimate site for mod guides, powered by itwix. So just search, scroll down. You can see here we have what we call private Instagram viewer. So just open it. We'll need to download this application for us to see people's private accounts. So once you open it, right here you can see they say private Instagram viewer, app source ready. Click button below in order to start searching download source. Can you see? So let's click on start now. So once you click on start now, so this loads for us. You can see sit tight, looking for download source. So it's processing, so you have to wait for this to be done processing. You can see it says source found, and it is still loading. Let's wait a bit. Can you see? So let's wait a bit. Awesome. So now it will take us to this particular page. You can see, so right here, just scroll down. You can see the number of people that have downloaded the app today, and right in our presence it's increased again. 2,500 people has downloaded this app today. It means it is working, like people are using this app and it's working. You can't find this app on Play Store. This is a secret website where you can download an app to view people privately, to view people's profile privately. So you can see it has increased again. So just scroll down, and right over here you can see where we have download DLS 26 mod. So just tap on that green button and download it. So the thing about this is that once you click on the green button right here, you'll be given some tasks to do for you to access the application. So just choose one of these tasks, choose one that you feel is the most convenient for you, and do it. And once you're done with that, you'll be shown how to access the application. Just very simple. So I don't want to go about doing that right here. Just go over there and do it, and I'm very sure you get this. Let me know in the comment section if you're able to do this successfully and if you're able to access the application, and also most importantly if you're able to see people's private accounts without them knowing and without following them. So I believe you got value from this video. If you did, do it to like this video, drop a comment in the comment section, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.